Hey guys, it's Greeny here. Welcome back to another video. Today, this video is about joining me as I challenge myself to stay ahead in the crypto market as we progress into the start of 2026. Today, I'll outline my game plan, how I'm trading different markets, and how I plan to make money consistently this year in the crypto markets. If you enjoy this, like and subscribe down below, and let's dive straight in. So before we dive into my actual game plan, I'm going to talk about why I am particularly trading specific areas of the crypto market and why I think there's still really good opportunity, at least in Q1 this year, to really chase some particular on-chain trends. So as you can see here, okay, we've got meme coins. For the first time, literally since August, we've seen a massive increase in daily graduations. That means the amount of tokens that are launching and getting over around that 100K market cap in the meme coin space. That means volume is up. That means liquidity is up. That means there's opportunity now back in the meme coin trenches, and there's a lot of opportunity for you to make money out there. I mean, arguably recently, I have been trading a couple of meme coins, not as successfully as the GTG community, and there's a great range of traders in there who are making a lot of money across a range of different trades, but I've caught a couple right now, and it's definitely something I'm going to be interested in trading more actively every single day. The second area is trading perps. Now, I've always been a perps trader, as you guys know on this channel, but on-chain perps obviously has really thrived in the past sort of 6 months or so. As you can see, the amount of volume that we saw got up to like $50 billion, $60 billion consistently at the end of 2025. We then saw a big drop off as normal. Okay, we head into Christmas. That's pretty inevitable. A lot of people step away from the crypto markets. A lot of people step away from TradFi markets. But we've seen a massive increase as of the yearly open yet again. And I do think that trading perps, specifically maybe not on-chain, but using some of the exchanges that I like to trade on, is a really good strategy. Last couple of points is prediction markets. Look at this volume chart. This is arguably more volume than meme coins are getting. Now, necessarily compared to meme coins, you're probably not going to make as much money because there's less upside. You got to really have an edge particularly, and it's more of a gambling style approach unless you really find your niche and start to use analysis and those sort of things to really take an edge on prediction markets. But this is definitely another industry that I'm starting to pay a lot of attention to and hopefully make a bit of profit moving into 2026. Now, I've made about $1,400 in the first 11 days of this year trading perps on Bybit. If you're keen to sign up, you can join us down below. We actually have a trading competition on right now within our community. Now, I want to teach you about the how. Now, probably the best way for you to learn about trading, to understand how markets work, is to join the GTG community. We literally have a range of different traders with lifelong experience, some of them decades of experience, some of them more recent experience, who educate you how to understand how the trades work out. For example, this is me on a swing trade with Altcoin. This is Cappy, who live traded this literally today, scalp trading the Asia session. This is another one that Cappy caught a couple days ago. Look at this, January 10th. He was scalping again on the low time frames, teaching us about order blocks, teaching us about liquidity, teaching about support resistance, Fibonacci levels, okay, money, liquidity, trading styles. And again, you get this within the GTG community. You can sign up down below. This is our profit over just the past 4 days, where we've consistently acknowledged that we're going to have a couple of losses. And I mean, if we go have a look, like I don't win 100% of the time, I win 70% of the time. But if you can manage your losses, okay, then you're going to compound your wealth over time. And to a lot of people, okay, this is about consistency, okay? You're not going to get rich quick, okay? You might get lucky on some particular trades because they play out really aggressively. But the trick is actually understanding how it works. And we take beginners like Cappy. Cappy came to us in GTG with no understanding at all, and now he is a pro trader who makes thousands of dollars every single day consistently. Now, another one, Sexy, one of the best traders I literally know in crypto. He trades the New York session every single day and the London session every single day, making consistent profits just with really simple strategies that we help educate you about how markets work in crypto. Now, what is my actual strategy? Now, most of the time I'm looking for swing trades, okay? Any time frame from hourly to 4 hourly to daily to potentially weekly, depending on the setup. My most recent trades on Altcoin and SBX were high time frame setups, okay, when they broke out of this low time frame resistance, right? So as you can see here, we had this massive resistance, okay, overhead from Altcoin for many, many months, all the way back here since July last year. We finally started to change structure, okay? And again, we educate this, we have the tools in GTG for you to learn and become a better trader in crypto. But as you can see, we bounced exactly off the 886, okay, a Fibonacci that I love to target on my meme coins. We then started to see higher lows across the board, and sure enough, enough, we broke out, okay, on this low time frame resistance here. We broke out and we went a high time frame resistance breakout as well. Now, this move here was a huge move, okay? I think it was like a 60% move, 70% move. I caught that on a couple X leverage. That's a 3-4X trade on a very simple setup and simple trading strategy that we employ in the GTG community. Another one was the SPX trade, okay? I saw this way down at the 886. Let me talk about it. So if we have a look at this from a really price-based simple structure, you had multiple bottoms forming here. So that shows me, okay, that sellers are exhausted and potentially this looks like it could be starting to find equilibrium. It's starting to put in a bottom here that really is a nice support level off the 886. Again, how do I draw this 886? I use from my low, okay, to my current all-time high, and that's exactly where I bounced from. Now, obviously on higher time frames, it looks a lot cleaner. If you come and have a look at the weekly, okay, and this is why, again, we focus on teaching you on high time frames how to understand the low time frame charts, okay? As you can see here, the weekly only closed just below the 886, but managed to hold this. That is a perfect double bottom trade there, okay? We then had a big breakout, and I'm watching this higher low right now to add to my position across the board, okay? So I'm a little bit greedy right here for lower. I think potentially we could see lower on this most recent move. So hopefully I can capture this higher low and really take advantage of this massive swing trade potential up towards back $1 for SPX in the coming months or coming weeks. So I do think that there's a lot of upside here. This could be a 4.3 RR trade for a really easy setup, that a strategy that we have used in the GTG community for many, many years. Now, another strategy I've been using more recently is very degenerate and really touches base on what Cappy and Sexy do every single day in our community. It's scalp trading. Now, this might not look like much, but it's about the process, and it's the process that we try and educate you, because at the end of the day, you can join all these trading groups out there that just give you the calls, but you don't actually learn anything. You don't walk away and say, Greeny, I know how to trade. I could go do this by myself. What we teach you in the GTG community is exactly that. We teach you how to understand the market, where to look for entries, where to look for take profits, where to have invalidations, why price is moving to those particular targets, why price rejects from those targets, why price doesn't sometimes get to those particular price levels, okay? We teach all of this within the GTG community. But as you can see over on the side, I'm taking my $400 and I'm looking to scalp trade this consistently, okay? And as you can see, I've won 4 out of my last 6 trades. Again, I'm looking to trade with only 3% position, so that's about $10 on this account. And what I'm aiming to do is to trade this up towards $1,000 consistently. Now, once I'm confident with my ability to scalp trade on low time frames, and again, shout out to Sexy and Cappy who have taught me a lot of these skills in the community. Once I start becoming comfortable with that, I'm going to be scalping trading with a lot more money, because I know that I have the skills, I have the emotional understanding, I have the trading psychology to work through this, and I have the risk management and the trading plan to consistently compound my process and my skills to hopefully make more money in 2026. Now, let's talk about meme coins, because that is, again, one of the top opportunities that you can find yourself on chain. Now, I'm trading some meme coins. I haven't caught them all, sadly, because I've been building out the GTG business to really funnel that educational side, really give you guys beginner level content to help you understand how markets work, then apply that once you join the more trading active community within us on the Discord. So I did capture White Whale, but I took profits. Okay, I'll disclose that. I took profits as soon as I got a 3x. I was very happy with that. The market was still a little bit uneasy. I got in about 19 million, sold around that $70 million mark. Now, of course, it went up about 2-3x after that, but I don't mind, because my goal in crypto is to walk away profitable. Sure, you could get a big hero trade and you could say, Greeny had such a good entry, why'd you sell? It's just my process, guys. I've lost a lot of money in the past. I've made a lot of money in the past. And a process that always has stayed with me consistently is having a trading system, taking profits after 2x, getting your initials out after 2x, scaling out 10% into profit, into pumps or into consolidation sideways, having an invalidation. And if it hits your invalidation, stepping away and reflecting on it, writing in your trading journal, and then coming back and looking for a new trade over time. So these are skills that, again, we employ within the GTG community around meme coins. And myself, even though I haven't been trading meme coins and making as much money recently, the GTG traders have been absolutely crazy. So Nigma recently joined us in GTG, and this guy, similar to me, is from a teaching background, currently is a teacher actually, and is a trading guru. He is very much degenerate, has called multiple crazy potential trades literally in just the past week. This one here on Testicle, easy 5x already on this trade. He called Kabuto. It was a 3.5x in just the past week. He called testicle this one. Yeah, as you can see, 10 million now. It's a 20x trade, guys. Crazy opportunities over on this. Again, we have multiple trades within the community who are teaching you about how to understand why these trades are working out, levels to be looking for, and where you have those invalidation levels and take profit targets. Because at the end of the day, we want you to walk away with the skills and the understanding so that you can employ this in your future trading opportunities. Now, let's move on to the more degenerate side of the market, where I do think that there are still potentials in 2026 to make some money. Okay, so this is the more degenerate side of the market, where I do think there's still a lot of opportunity to the upside. So Polymarket and Myriad Markets and Kalshi have been some of the most prominent, Trilimitus as well, more recently, Opinion more recently as well. Some of the most prominent worldwide viral opportunities in crypto right now, because they are prediction markets. And I mean, that's where the volume is. So you definitely want to be looking into where the volume goes, because that means that there's traders, that means there's markets, and that means that there's opportunity for you to make some money. Now, unfortunately, here in Australia, you do have to look into VPNs to run Polymarket and Kalshi, because they are US based and they don't technically have a license in this country, even though we spend $50 billion a year on gambling in this country. However, Myriad Markets is available, and I'm up around $216. I started with just under $1,000, so I'm up nearly 20% on this already. And again, my goal is to turn this into $10,000 by mid-year, or potentially by the end of the year, which would be about a 10x on this portfolio. Now, I've been trading a range of different markets, okay, but I've consistently locked into my trading style, using my edge as a trader, okay, to understand where Bitcoin prices are, where Pengu is prices, where Dogecoin is going to be on Friday. As you can see here, I won that $40 on Dogecoin. So it's about being smart with my trades, being flexible as well, not waiting for it to be paid out or waiting for that resolution to take place in that particular market, but it's actually waiting for this to play out. Okay, swing trading, the momentums, okay, of the market. That's how a good swing trader trades as well. And taking profit if I do manage to capture some of those upside potential. So Myriad Markets or any prediction models is definitely an upside for me in 2026. And I hope to bring you more of this sort of content moving into the future. Now, obviously, there's a little bit more degenerate, okay? These are the airdrops that I'm most bullish on, probably at least in Q1 this year. There are a few more dropping later this year in 2026, but right now, these are probably the top 4 airdrops that I'm positioned for at this point in time. Moonbirds, I got in at about 1.6, 1.7 ETH, so I'm already up at about 0.4 ETH. Which in today's terms, I don't even know how much money that is, but I'm up, I'm about $1,400 already on this trade. Now, they're rumored TG, they have SBTs, which are soul-bound tokens, which you can literally go mint right now. Some of them are still available, which will give you anywhere from maybe a couple of dollars to potentially $100 per SBT. The Moonbird token itself, NFT itself, who knows how much of the token supply they'll get. As always, we don't know what the FDV is or what the TVL is or what the actual market cap will be when this token launches. But I do think that Moonbird still have a lot of upside here at 6.4K USD at 2 ETH. I do think that these could trade back towards 4 ETH before their airdrop, and potentially you could get a decent amount of airdrop for holding one of these birds. Now, I hold 2 birds right now. I will probably sell both of them into the hype of this airdrop. I just think it's a tough time to be launching a lot of airdrops, and these airdrops that I'm speaking about after the fact are also airdrops that I'm probably pretty keen to click sell on straight away. The next one is Solstice. I've spoke about this on the channel multiple times for quite a while now. Let me just pull it up and show you my flares, but I've earned about 40 million flares now, which is great, which puts me literally inside the top 1%. Now, the beautiful part about this is that it's a stablecoin yield platform. You earn flares, and over time you earn flares, and they'll turn into the SLX airdrop token. This one still has maybe about a month, maybe a little bit longer before it launches. TVL did rise to about 330 million, but it's back down at 300 million now. In a choppy market where there hasn't been a lot of opportunities since about mid-year last year, this was an easy play for me. So I've had about $2,000 on the platform, and I hope to walk away with at least a 5,000 to 10,000 airdrop with this. And again, just to remind you, I am inside the top 1%. I've got 0.03% of the entire flares on the platform, that being out of 131 billion. So again, this has been a patient play for me for about the last 4 or 5 weeks, but I do hope that this gives me closer to 5 figures of an airdrop literally in the next couple of weeks or potentially the next month or so. If you have any sort of brand, I'll just briefly touch on this. Creating content on Twitter is probably the best asymmetric play you can have in crypto. Creating a brand is the best play in crypto right now on Twitter. You can talk about things, you can market things, you can trade out there publicly. But if you have a brand, you can start to trade on some of these InfoFi products. SLX right here, Solstice, is literally one that I've been talking about. I'm inside the top 10. They get 1% of this token. As you can see here, I'm top 10 right now. They get 1% distributed to the top 100 Zetas on this platform. Zeta itself might potentially have an airdrop potentially launching later this year. They also have some cash opportunities across the board, across Zyber, IOP, Cypher and whatnot as well. So again, don't be afraid to check out all these platforms because there is upside there if you talk about it and you actually tweet about it on Twitter. The last two airdrops is obviously OpenSea itself. This one is launching, who knows, at least before the end of Q1. They have clarified that. This one, hopefully, again, will give me a 5-figure airdrop because I have been trading consistently across the board, across multiple seasons. Tier 7 is consistently where I get to across the board. The first wave, I actually got to tier 10. Hopefully this gives me at least a $10,000 airdrop moving forward. And the last one is MetaMask. Again, who knows how this one's going to go. I'm hoping for at least a couple $100 from the airdrop as well from here. But at the end of the day, guys, these are all of the particular crypto opportunities that I think you can make money in 2026. And a lot of these we talk about every single day in GTG. So if you want to learn about how becoming a better trader, if you want to apply some on-chain strategies, even if you're just a veteran trader and you're looking for a community who are active every single day, active 24/7, because we have traders from Europe, we have traders from America, we have traders from Australia, then you should check out the G2G community because we support each other. We help you. We help out even the traders in there. I learn stuff from the community members and other traders every single day. And our goal is to fast track your understanding, fast track your crypto journey. And we can do that together within the GTG community. Comment down below. What are your favorite opportunities in the crypto market for 2026? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.